Good morning, TikTok and YouTube family. It's your girl Tiger here. I'm coming to y'all today. I'm just doing some housework today. Um, I'm supposed to go to church, but today is just the day that I'm gonna stay at home. I'm still gonna worship. I'm still gonna worship Him. I'm still gonna read the Word most of the day today. And just I got stuff to do. I know this is supposed to be a day of rest, but I didn't have the means to do the stuff that I got to do, and my my sister uh, made it where I had the means to take care of the stuff that I got to take care of today. So yeah, I got this big old shopping cart in here because in my building they have shopping carts downstairs. Like we have groceries and stuff like that, or whatever. And you got to get it all upstairs or whatever. You ain't got no help, so we got shopping carts in the building. Anyway, and my sister got me these groceries, and I'm just so very thankful to her. And I thank the King of Kings, the Almighty, the Omega, the Majestic, God, Yahweh. I'm thanking Him for everything that He's doing in my life, because He sent my sister to me, basically, all the way from Texas, uh, to make sure I had certain things that I didn't have, that I needed, that I really didn't want to ask for, or whatever. But I'm just so very thankful that she made that whole process just like easy for me. And I love her and I love God for her. So yeah, I'm about to, because I just did the dishes. I got to do my bathroom. I got to sort these clothes in my bedroom that's on the floor, because I got to do some laundry. And I got to cook, of course. And my sister, she know everything that I like. So, of course, we have some chicken, some avocados, some sofrito, some pinto beans, some rice. Need I say more? And so yeah, y'all already know. And I ain't gonna have to cook all the chicken that she got me. Got me a big old long pack of chicken, but I had a half a pack of chicken left, and so I got that in the sink thawing out or whatever. And I might add a few more pieces to go with that, so I can have some for work for the next couple of days or whatever. I'm just so very grateful and so very thankful that I have a sister that loves me unconditionally and just love me. And when I need her, like, she's always been there for me. And I'll be trying to, like, hold out, because it's been a little rough or whatever. But she don't make me feel no kind of way but loved. And I just thank her for it all. I thank Jesus for it all. I thank Him for sending me my wonderful sister to love me and be there for me, and just make me feel good when I was feeling really down, like, and I'm just so very thankful. Period. Okay, so I gotta clear things off of my bed right now. My laptop, my uh, Bible study journal, phone case, scissors, Bible, because I gotta wash this blanket right here, this white blanket. And I have to sort out this laundry so I can put a couple of those downstairs in the washing machine. So let's get this started. Where's all them towels at? Okay, I found towels, and now I'm going downstairs to the laundry room. I'm going to put these clothes in the washing machine. I think I still got like one more load. I don't know if I'm going to wash all of it today. I'm really low on laundry detergent, so I'll be using laundry detergent, fabric softener, and this soap. Just got to get it washed. I feel a little breeze in the back of the building. Outside from there. It's a little fresh air going in the weather for the spring. So I'm making stewed chicken. I'm adding my tomatoes now. So all the food is cooking. The laundry is downstairs in the washing machine. I gotta go down there about 12 o'clock and put that stuff in the dryer. Gonna have a banana and a bottle of water and continue to let my food cook for this Sunday. Thank y'all for joining me. Okay. Right now. So my plate is done. I'm gonna show y'all what that's looking like right now. Give me 1 second. Is my stewed chicken with rice and beans. Yeah. And this is what I am about to eat on today. Stewed chicken, rice and beans. Thanks to my sissy. I can't wait to dig in. This looks so good. Yeah. So I hope everybody have a great day, a blessed day. Continue to enjoy your day. It's Sunday, a day that the Lord has made. I love the Lord. I love my family. I'm thankful that I have food to eat today, and I'm just so very grateful. All right, y'all. Bye. Food is good.